Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a 2-shade nail art. As you can see on the screen, it looks fabulous. You can easily try this at home with just a toothpick or a dotting tool. So let's start the video. First you're going to apply a light pink shade on half of the nail and a white polish on the other half. We are basically covering the nail with 2 shades. The first shade will be pink and the second shade will be white. Apply each shade and then cure it under UV light for 30 seconds. As I mentioned in the video, I applied the pink polish first and cured it under UV light. Then applied the white polish and cured it again under UV light. You can also apply both shades together and then cure them at the same time if you prefer. Now in the video, with the help of dotting tool, I am adding dots using the alternative color. On the white shade, I am adding pink dots. And on the pink shade I am adding white dots. As you can see in the video, I have added 3 dots, but you can add as many as you want to create your design. Once you have placed the dot on both sides, cure them under UV light for 30 seconds to set them. Then we will proceed with the next design. Now we are going to use the dotting tool again for more dots. This time we will place a pink dot on top of each white dot and a white dot on top of each pink dot. This will help the colors blend with background and make the design stand out. Start placing the dots so that the colors merge with the background, creating a beautiful design. Once you've added the new set of dots, cure your nails under UV light for 30 seconds to let them dry. This step ensures that the dots set properly and your design stay intact. Make sure each dot is fully cured before moving on to the next part of your nail art. After curing, place a small dot near the left space as shown in the video to enhance the look of the design. Then cure it under UV light for another 30 seconds. This final touch will complete your nail art and make it stand out even more. For either side, using the alternative color to enhance the art. Remember, if you are using pink, dot with white. If you are using white, dot with pink. Now it's time to finish our last step with the shiny top coat. Apply the shiny top coat to seal your nail art, ensuring it lasts longer. The shiny top coat also adds an extra shine to your nails, giving them a beautiful polished look. Apply it evenly over your nails and then cure it under UV light for 30 seconds to complete your design. And it's done. How beautiful the nail looks, right? If you enjoy this video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay updated about more such videos in the future. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.